Hey guys, Mark here at the Wildlife Center at Refreshing Mountain. Today, I'm going to be talking a little bit about our friend Gomer here. This is a red-footed tortoise from South America, and I'm giving him a bit of a bath today. Gomer and our other tortoises live outside all summer long, and they get a little dirty sometimes. And not to mention, they like out in the wild, they like soaking in puddles and things like that anyway. So we freshen up his shell, make him really shiny again, and helps him look a little nicer when you come see him. Now, a lot of people don't realize all the detailed care that go into keeping reptiles and amphibians. For example, a lot of people think turtles and tortoises are the cutest reptiles in the world, but they can be some of the most difficult reptiles to care for, not to mention they live a very long time. Whereas snakes, on the other hand, like some of your commonly kept snakes, corn snakes, king snakes, ball pythons, well, they're some of the easiest reptiles to take care of. And understandably, a lot of times parents don't really like their kids starting out with a pet snake. But we have a program here at the Wildlife Center that we started a few years ago called the Reptile Keeper Workshop. And we go behind the scenes in our whole collection, which makes up about 40 different species of reptiles and amphibians from around the world. And we go in detail of some of the specialized care that some of these reptiles need, how to do cleaning, feeding, proper handling, what pet reptiles could make really good first-time pets, which ones you should never keep as a pet unless you're a professional or working at a professional facility. And we also talk about careers working with reptiles. What does it look like to get into the zoo field? What does it look like to get into field biology work? All that sort of stuff. And we also talk about native reptile and amphibian conservation and go throughout our property, even seeing what kind of native reptiles we can find here. So it's a really awesome project that we've been working on for the last couple of years. And you know, if you know somebody, or maybe you yourself, are really interested in reptiles and amphibians, it's for ages 9 through 14. And you can sign up online or call at the office and book. It's a great program. It's something that I wish I would have had the option to do it when I was a kid. And the next one that we have is coming up on June 20th, Saturday, June 20th. We're going to be hosting one once a month through the rest of the summer. I hope to see you guys out there. If you're really into reptiles, come out and check it out. It'll be with me, so you get to know me a little bit and my story of working with reptiles, and you'll get to be hands-on and helping to take care of our collection and learn about them in a way that you wouldn't necessarily learn about if you were just out doing a tour. So hope to see you out. And take care. Enjoy this beautiful week that we have.